Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
I am frying eggs.
I am frying eggs.
I am whisking eggs.
I am whisking eggs.
I am boiling eggs.
I am boiling eggs.
I am scrambling eggs.
I am scrambling eggs.
I am separating egg whites and egg yolks.
I am separating egg whites and egg yolks.
I am washing fruit and vegetables.
I am washing fruit and vegetables.
I am peeling potatoes.
I am peeling potatoes.
I am chopping vegetables.
I am chopping vegetables.
I am cutting carrots.
I am cutting carrots.
I am slicing tomatoes.
I am slicing tomatoes.
I am dicing potatoes. I am dicing potatoes. I am spreading butter.
I am spreading butter.
I am grating cheese.
I am grating cheese.
I am flipping pancakes.
I am flipping pancakes.
I am toasting bread.
I am toasting bread.
I am cracking eggs.
I am cracking eggs.
I am brewing coffee.
I am brewing coffee.
I am adding sugar to the tea.
I am adding sugar to the tea.
I am boiling water.
I am boiling water.
I am sauteing onions and garlic.
I am sauteing onions and garlic.
I am squeezing lemon juice.
I am squeezing lemon juice.
I am blending a smoothie.
I am blending a smoothie.
I am grilling the chicken.
I am grilling the chicken.
I am carving the turkey.
I am carving the turkey.
I am pinching salt into the soup.
I am pinching salt into the soup.
I am stirring the soup.
I am stirring the soup.
I am ladling the soup into bowls.
I am ladling the soup into bowls.
I am whipping cream.
I am whipping cream.
I am rolling out the dough.
I am rolling out the dough.
I am sprinkling herbs on the pizza.
I am sprinkling herbs on the pizza.
I am peeling oranges.
I am peeling oranges.
I am marinating the steak.
I am marinating the steak.
I am picking fresh herbs.
I am picking fresh herbs.
I am baking a chocolate cake.
I am baking a chocolate cake.
I am grilling fish fillets.
I am grilling fish fillets.
I am mashing potatoes.
I am mashing potatoes.
I am decorating cupcakes.
I am decorating cupcakes.
I am tasting the sauce.
I am tasting the sauce.
I am grilling fish fillets.
I am grilling fish fillets.
I am slicing the cake.
I am slicing the cake.
I am filling the jars.
I am filling the jars.
I am melting chocolate.
I am melting chocolate.
I am kneading the bread dough.
I am kneading the bread dough.
I am setting the table.
I am setting the table.
I am scooping ice cream.
I am scooping ice cream.
I am skewering vegetables.
I am skewering vegetables.
I am mixing the ingredients.
I am mixing the ingredients.
I am enjoying a homemade pizza night.
I am enjoying a homemade pizza night. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.